Now that you've installed Storemapper, you'll need to add some stores to your Storemapper database. Your list of stores right now is probably empty, so let's add some stores. There are two main ways. The simplest way is to add stores individually through the Add New Store form. I'm going to add a name, just call it test4, and I will enter an address. And you can use the Google autocomplete to ensure that we accurately find that address. Now these two fields are the only required ones for a store, but you can also add an email, a URL, and a lengthy description about the store. If you add a link for each store, be sure to include the HTTP or HTTPS included in the URL. Let's add the store. And you can see by searching, we have our test4. There's our new store. You can edit the store if you need to add any details. And if the geocoding isn't exactly right, you can use this tool here at the bottom to make any small adjustments. So for example, if you move the pin, you can drop it here, and that will update the new address. You can also double-click to add it to a totally new location. And if you're way off, you can, at the bottom, move the map to a totally different location, double-click to get a new pin, and you'll update it. And hit Save Changes to update. If you have hundreds or thousands of stores, you should use the bulk upload feature here. Bulk upload. You'll need to prepare a spreadsheet of all of your store information for the bulk upload. We highly recommend using Google Docs to ensure proper formatting. So the first step is to grab the template. This is the master template, so you'll need to make a copy for yourself. Go to File, Make a Copy. Name it whatever you like, and open it up. You'll need to prepare the data along these formats. You can do that in a separate spreadsheet and paste it in. Here I have some pre-formatted data. Note that each line must have a name and a full address, but all of the other fields are optional. Once you have your database looking good, you need to download this as a CSV. So go to File, Download As, comma-separated values.csv, and download the file. If you take this file, if you have any problems during this process at all, feel free to email help@storemapper.co for the Storemapper concierge that will be happy to help you. Click Upload. At this point, our servers are importing each store one by one and geocoding it in the background. That means finding the latitude and longitude for each address. You'll need to give it some time for this process to complete, depending on how large your bulk upload file is. You can also do bulk edits. The first step to that is to download a CSV of your current Storemapper database and import that CSV. Be sure to select the option to convert it to a Google Docs spreadsheet and open the spreadsheet. Now you'll see all of your Storemapper data, including this extra column with the ID of that. This tells Storemapper that this is a pre-existing store and not to add a new one. You can make any changes that you want, and you can even add new stores down here. When you're done editing, download this again as a CSV. and upload it. As you can see, not only did we make the appropriate changes to existing stores, but we also added the new one, and it was geocoded in the background. As always, if you have any problems, email help@storemapper.co for the Storemapper concierge to help you out.